So most of you guys don't know who I am. My name is Sameera, and today I'm going to be vlogging my trip to Tahoe City. I actually already made it here and I'm in the hotel right now, but I just wanted to do a quick little intro before I start vlogging my trip here. But yeah, the hotel so far is really nice. Anyways, let me show you around a little bit. Outside now, and I'm just sitting in the area. It's really nice, and I love it. Hey guys, now I'm laying by the pool. I want to get a tan, but at the same time I don't. So I'm just laying in the shade right now with my normal clothes on that I came here with. I don't want to go in the pool right now. See you guys later. We're in the resort's little store that they have, and they literally have all this philosophy stuff. Literally look at how much they have. What? And they have sun balm, and they have their chopsticks. A lot of stuff. Hey guys, I got some ice cream. My mom got us a smoothie, so I'm waiting on that. And now I'm in the lobby and I got my mom smoothie. She went to go use the restroom, and I'm just finishing my ice cream while looking at this really pretty view. I really love it. Okay, it's a little loud outside, but now we're inside the lobby, like I said, but we're just walking around and it's huge. Love it. Oh my god, guys. Sorry about me not even ever recording that much and talking yesterday. It was just really busy and hectic, but now I'm doing my skincare and I'm gonna do my makeup. The hot Cheetos in the background, cuter. Okay, now we're at the same little cafe that they have in the resort, and I'm waiting for my stuff. I got an bagel because they ran out of acai bowls, and I got a smoothie. Okay, now I got my smoothie. I got the Berry Bliss. Okay, now we're outside and I'm still sipping on my smoothie. I got a bagel too. Yeah, and I'm gonna devour it. And now we're at a pizza restaurant, brunch. The view is really pretty.